Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota BZ4X. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got back button, OK button and navigation button. Use left right arrow to change menu on the instrument cluster. Use top and bottom arrow to navigate through the menu. Use back button to go back to full screen. Now take a look at the instrument cluster. Firstly, we can find here trip info and power consumption. Next we can find instrument cluster assistant menu and compass. Then we can go to radio, battery status and messages. If we go back, we can find traffic sign assistant, cruise control info and range. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.